The stakes for a speedy energy transition are high, and the impacts of climate change are getting worse all the time. And we need to transition to a more environmentally friendly energy profile as quickly as possible. I'm Zana Cranmer. I'm an assistant professor here at Bentley in the Natural and Applied Sciences department. So I teach a series of courses about energy with an emphasis on renewable energy and energy efficiency and looking at solutions for how we can reduce energy consumption and make it cleaner.
Hi, my name is Amanda Slattery. I'm a senior here at Bentley University. I'm majoring in both sustainability science and business studies. I applied to Bentley because they did offer a sustainability major.
So Bentley's been a really wonderful place to work across disciplines, and this project has really been a great opportunity to work with Jon Ericson, who's in the Information Design and Corporate Communications department. He's an expert in virtual reality, so we got to design a cool experience to use for this research project. Our study was the first to use virtual reality to really compare across different types of medium for wind energy and see how people responded to it. Wind energy currently is the largest source of renewable energy in the US. So it's cost competitive, it's renewable, and we have some great wind energy resources. So for onshore, particularly in the Midwest here in the US, and then for offshore wind, we have really excellent resources here off the coast of New England. Part of the challenge with a new industry like offshore wind is that a lot of people don't have any direct experience. Part of what we wanted to find out with this project was if having a virtual experience with a wind turbine could correct some of the unconscious misperceptions that people might have. We compared a number of different types of media, from 2D images to 2D video to 360 video, as well as immersive VR with a headset. We randomly assigned participants to one of the different media conditions, and then we asked them a number of questions about the experience itself, and then gave them the same survey that they'd completed beforehand. After a more immersive experience, people had more positive shifts in their expectations, and with less immersive media, people either didn't change their expectations or in some cases had more negative expectations.
At Vineyard Wind, I was the education associate intern. So essentially what I did was oversee and manage an education exhibit that connected the community of New Bedford to the project. We did offer virtual reality for visitors. So if anyone was curious about what offshore wind turbines looked like, they could actually climb one. In virtual reality, they could witness it themselves and see the magnitude of them and really experience them firsthand.
The next generation of business leaders needs to have a solid understanding of sustainability in order to understand the risks that things like climate change pose to businesses in the future and currently, so they can see them coming and respond proactively.
Graduating from Bentley, I'm really excited. I get to take my degree and do something that I really enjoy, that I'm passionate about, and I know is going to help the environment while also making a change in the world. It definitely is a very enriching role to have, to be a part of such an important factor for our future, and also getting to educate the public about our future, because it's going to be such a big industry. It's the start of something bigger than us that the generations to come will carry on with.